let me just say, a lot of you are in despair. Wherever you are carrying the burden to say, is there going to be change in this country? This is the telltale signs of a regime that is collapsing. When you see a regime that is so scared of its own people, you must know that the end is nigh. When you see a regime that resorts to force, you must know that legitimacy is evaporated. When you see a regime that is so determined to keep our police officers on the streets, you must know that there is now a vacance in their scope of imagination on the future of our country. I've heard of your cries. I've listened to all veterans. I've listened to army people, people in uniform. When I meet them in shops, I've listened to police officers even. I've listened to workers who work in government, civil servants. All I hear are cries for change. I've listened to victims of flood, particularly in Manicaland when I went to Chimaniman recently. I've heard cries in Lupane, in Bedbridge, Bindura, Kwekwe, gold banners in Kwekwe, cotton farmers in Slovenia, those in Marondera. All they want to see is a better Zimbabwe under a better leader. And that better leader is the one who is addressing you at this particular moment.